These were the voluntary police of the 1600s. They practiced their skills in that building, so that building was a former police station. All boats are under the and when you look in front of us, you can see Coin Tower, Munttoren. Behind Coin Tower, there is a flower market. It's a very busy tour, ladies and gentlemen. For the people in the front of the boat, you can also already look that way, up on the gutter of the building. There are two cloveniers next to them. Now I do this sideshow. This is a famous bridge as well. Yes, this is a famous bridge. It's the Blue Bridge. It's a bridge, a replica of the bridge in France for the Alexandre Dubois, Paris over the Seine. And you can see that there are crowds on the top with gold lettered take off 5 minutes too late and come back home 10 minutes early. And that's not the way I like it. When you're 56, me, you have to go to the toilet a little bit more than when you were younger. So they have no toilets, so you have to be friends with the bar canals. And that's horrible in development now. Everybody wants to go there. So I think that group always lose 10 minutes. I decided to close it now. They win.
Look at that, let's hide.